Hello. So here on this channel I will make a lot of videos about Python and scientific programming in Python. This one is a very simple one about the print command in Python 3. It is like this. You just type print, and then for example, if you want to print out some string, you just print it out. You can also print several strings. Print and so on. You can also print a string and then some numbers, and you can of course use also some functions which help you to make a pretty output print, if you like. For example, we can say make a tabulator and then a new line, and then it will just put in tabulator and then your string, and then after that a new line. We can also make a new line just before. Yes, and then you have a bit more prettier print. So what else can we do? We can also do formatted printing, formatted float, now we have to do here this sign, percentage sign, and then here one float and then one integer, and then where we just put %f and %i, we just get those two numbers, floating point and integer. We can also tell him that we only want 2 decimal points. For example, this would mean just 1 decimal point, and here we can say 2 decimal points or even more. So you can really tell him exactly how the print should proceed. You see, now I said to him 6 decimal points, and then we have additional zeros. Alright, so this is just one of several videos which I will put on this channel. Have fun coding. Catch.